And it's not going anywhere. I got 14-pound test on it. Come on. Fuck. Son of a bitch, James.
Reel him in.
Oh.
Yeah, reel him in a little bit. Reel him in.
Dude, can you fucking believe it?
Reel him in.
Really, dude. I cast.
Dude, reel him in.
Dude, I cast.
Yeah.
And that, look at that big ass dead fish.
Oh, wow. Go back over there. I want to see that.
Well, let me reel this in.
No, reel him in.
Dude, I don't want an angry seagull here. Fucking damn it.
Go get him. I'll net him. Can you mount him?
No. What the fuck are we getting ourselves into, dude? I just want my lure back. Dude, I just bought that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, you got some pissed off seagulls, man.
I didn't do it. He fucking flew into the lure that was in the air. Literally, he was like, shoo, got tangled up in my line, dude. I didn't do anything. Damn it. Get it off you then, you fucking clown. Can you believe this shit, James?
No, that's why I'm recording this whole episode. Because this is so cool, I gotta see what happens.
Net him, dude. Fucking net him. Get the net out. I am not going to wrestle this thing.
You want me to net him? This is not good.
What the fuck else are we going to do? Dude like wants to pick my eyes out already.
Dude, this ain't gonna be. Just cut it, man. What do you think?
Well, I'd rather him not fucking. He can live from this. He's really just tangled up.
Watch your fingers, man. Watch that beak of his. 10-4.
Yes, James, I see his beak. He just got tangled up in the line when he was flying.
Closest I've ever been to a seagull.
It's about the size of a duck, actually.
I said, you gonna cut the lure out and then just cut the line and.
There's no lure in him.
No, I know, but look, he floats.
Bring him up. He obviously can't really do too much. He's fucking.
Ooh. Well, he's still tied up.
But hold on, just get him the fuck away from me so he doesn't bite me, you fucking asshole.
He floats pretty good, though. Oh!
Hey. You will not receive help from me if you be a dick. I will leave you out there fucking stranded. And tape your mouth shut. That's what I should do. Get some masking tape.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, you fucker! Let him go. Now, god damn it! I will fuck you up. Get out of here.
Oh, you got.
Damn it! You fuckface! Goddamn bird!
Uh-oh.
Well, I can't do nothing for him now.
Look.
Damn it, man! Fucker! Son of a bitch!
You alright?
Son of a bitch!